From your friends at Superior Transmission Parts Inc., one click, 1 minute on why you need to use our part in your next transmission rebuild. Today we're talking about our K0185 Super Servo for our AODE 4R70 and 4R75W transmissions for Fords. This servo comes complete with our billet 6160 T6 Super Servo and lip seal, both clips, the Teflon sealing ring, our adjustable pin, the K0102 that can be bought separately, and our tool called the Jimmy Clip. The Jimmy Clip allows one-person installation. Now, the Jimmy Clip can also catch a band that has fallen off of the band lug without having to pull the unit apart. The K0185 allows you to add performance during your rebuild on the AODE 4R70 and 4R75W transmissions. And the beautiful use on this servo is to be able to install it and have an adjustment. We are the only company that has put a band adjustment on the 4R70W, making the 3/4 shift just beautiful. True to fit pin, takes up for any sizing problems, but fits if you're gonna bore the alignment bore. So you get both clips, the Super Servo, and the adjustable pin kit with the tool all in one box. That's value from your friends at Superior. Thanks again for a minute of your time.